Have you ever imagined exploring Mars? I know you have imagined already, because Mars are always have been an adventurous place for human, and through exploration, it will provide a continuous flow of scientific information and discovery through a careful selected series of robotic orbiters, landers, and mobile laboratories, which is interconnected by a high-bandwidth Mars communication system. But how it's possible to capture the view of Mars and get data? Well, NASA scientists have developed something auspicious that will help to send data from Mars to Earth, and it's a helicopter, and they have done it successfully. Today, we're going to show you how NASA's Ingenuity has successfully flown on Mars. So, don't skip the video, and please hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned with our channel. Let's get started. The American Space Agency NASA has successfully flown a small helicopter on Mars. Actually, it's a drone called Ingenuity that was airborne for less than a minute. But for NASA, it's a great achievement. That's why they are celebrating what represents the first powered, controlled flight by an aircraft on another world. However, this confirmation came via a satellite at Mars, which relayed the chopper's data back to Earth, and the space agency is promising more adventurous flights in the days ahead. Actually, the rotorcraft was carried to Mars in the belly of NASA's Perseverance rover, which touched down in the Zero crater on the Red Planet in February. That's why they have decided Ingenuity to be commanded to fly higher and further as engineers seek to test the limits of the technology. The thing is, NASA has been flying on Earth for just over 100 years, and now they have reached to another planet to fly through Ingenuity. Though it's just for 40 seconds. Besides, through Ingenuity, they got a different view of Mars that will allow them to study cliffs and craters and all other places that rovers like this one simply can get to. This helicopter is made of carbon fibers blade, batteries, and they can spin 8 times faster than the blade on a helicopter here on Earth that have around 2,400 revolutions per minute. Now, because Mars is so far away from Earth and they are not able to control this thing with a joystick, so what happening is, scientists are sending commands way in advance. So essentially, this machine took off by itself, flying by itself, and landing by itself. It means one will send the commands to the rover and they will get the data back. But flying on Mars is not easy because the atmosphere is 100 times thinner than it is here on Earth, and it's the air where the atmosphere will push us up. So, if they have only 1% of that atmosphere, they only have a little bit to get them lifted up. So, what they had to do is they designed a helicopter which is really light. Beside the helicopter gets solar cells, batteries, 2 cameras, where one is black and another is white. Moreover, color computer systems and navigation system were also available. Though it sounds funny, but all of this in a helicopter that's only the size of Chihuahua. The wondering thing is, scientists once thought if it works, it will be quite wonderful, and it will also be wonderful if it doesn't. But finally, it works, and NASA successfully flies small helicopters on Mars, and they have promised to the universe they will send more flying robots to Mars in the future. So viewers, we hope you enjoyed today's video on how NASA successfully flies a small helicopter on Mars. Please subscribe, like, share, and be always with us for the next video.